A fantastic turnaround in terms of 2 wins on the bounce. Salman, it was important to follow up the performance from yesterday.
Yeah, I think the good team does that. When they have a great performance, they back that, and we did that, and I'm very happy with that.
It now seems like, in terms of combination roles, horses for courses, in terms of the players that you pick, it's coming together ahead of the T20 World Cup.
Yeah, it's like 3-4 months now. Like we have told every player what is their role in the team, and I think everyone knows now, and it's just executing their role in every single game, day in, day out.
Also in terms of the measured approach, from obviously not all ultra-aggressive, but a little bit of smart cricket, the team seems to be now finding that balance.
Yeah, you just need to do that. When what the game needs you, this is what you need to do. And I think we did that in this game and the last game as well. So this is what we wanted to do, like week in, week out, day in, day out, every single game. And this is going to win us a games as well.
Now, you employed a rotation policy with plenty of personnel resting and being given a chance, but it may give you a lot of confidence to see everyone perform and everyone getting an opportunity performing.
Yeah, we believe on that because we have so many games coming up. Like we are playing almost 15 games in 25 days. And it's hard for everyone to play every single game. So that's what we were doing. And our bench strength is growing as well. And I'm very happy with that as well.
You have to make the chase so interesting at the end?
Sorry?
Had to make the chase a little bit interesting at the end?
That's what Pakistan is, don't we? Yeah, we would love to do a bit more clinical, but I'll take that because we were 1-0 down and coming back, winning this series. It's a great effort for the boys, and I'm very happy for them and for every fan of Pakistan as well.
Must give yourself a lot of confidence as captain to be down and out and then come back with 2 comprehensive wins to win the series.
Yeah, it's always great. Like when you are 1-0 down and come back and show that those character we have shown in this game and the last game as well, which is very great moment for us. And we just want to continue and play cricket like that every single game.